Hi everyone, this is Ada from QTech. Today, I want to show you one of the most important inspection steps before component placement, 3D SPI. After solder paste is printed onto the PCB, the SPI machine checks the height, area, warrant, and position of the solder paste on every pad. Why is this important? Because many soldering defects actually start before the components are placed. Too much solder paste may cause bridging. Too little solder paste may lead to insufficient solder joints or open connections. Poor alignment can also affect fine pitch components such as QFN, BJ, and small pads. 3D SPI helps us detect these problems immediately before the PCB moves to the pick-and-place process. It also allows our engineers to adjust printing pressure, stencil alignment, and solder paste release in real time. For complex PCB assemblies, especially both with 01, 005 components or 5-pitch packages, stable solder paste printing is the foundation of reliable production. Good PCBA quality does not start after reflow. It starts with every deposit of solder paste. This is how we control quality at QTech, step by step. Send us your bonds and Gerber for quotation.